Hey, hello, how are you? So, today I show you how to integrate contact form 7, Google Sheet, and Scoro dashboard. So, this is a contact form 7 form. I already make a video on this how to connect with Google Sheet. So, this is the Google Sheet. Now I will show you how to connect Google Sheet with Scoro with Zapier. So let me select Google Sheet account. The trigger will be new or update spreadsheet row, and I should check the account and the name is list automated. So I should select same name and the tab will WordPress and any column, then continue here. Then go and continue. The option will be create or update any company. So let me create this here. So I should select the ID here. So I can find the ID here. So let me copy the ID. So let me copy the ID here. Okay. Okay. So so all details will be on separate company. So should need to so need to send details here. Okay. So let me find the latest answer now. Right. So my name will be name here and email address here and phone number here. So you can add message section in this description section, right? And click to continue. So let me paste. So let me test this. So it show successful here and publish the. So let me. Okay. So this is the final ZEF here. Publish the ZEF. So the Jav is already created. So this is the Zav. So I hope this video will help you for connecting Google Sheet with another platform. Thank you.